pane kuchema kuripo kuvashandi vehurumende vakadai sematicha, manesi navamwe. Vanochema kuti nyaya yejob evaluation iyi inoita sokuti yava nzira yokuvanda nayo yehurumende kuti isawedzera vashandi mari. Mvunzo wangu wokuwedzera ndowokuti chirongwa ichi chejob evaluation chinotarisirwa kuti chingapera rini kuti vanhu vagowanikwa vachizowedzerwa muhoro wavo, nokuti zvinoita sokuti chakungoramba chichiredzwa. Saka ndotenda kuti vane makonsultant vakatsvaka ari kuvabetsera kuita zvinhu izvi anoshanda nenguva yakatarwa. Saka toda kuziva kuti evaluation iyi inopera rini. Ndatenda.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker, and thank you for the follow-up question. The job evaluation exercise in its essence ended sometime last year. After that, it had to go for validation. It had to be presented to Cabinet. After that, the consultant and the Public Service Commission had to go ministry by ministry to look at the job evaluation and how it impacts on the structure and all other issues around the ministries. The ministries gave their feedback and some adjustments were made in terms of grading of civil servants. You will understand that over the years, because of a number of issues, there has been a run away from the original job evaluation. What I mean is that the job evaluation was done around 1995, the last job evaluation, and it established grades and subgrades. Now, because of interventions that would come for different reasons and collective bargaining results, then a misalignment was then created. And you remember that during the hyperinflation period and post the hyperinflation period, we got to a point where people were earning basically, when the US dollar came in, basically the same salary. And that has to be unbunched so that recognition is given to seniority. So the job evaluation is meant to recast grades in the civil service so that they speak to the different hierarchies in the ministries. So all that had to be done, taken to Cabinet, from Cabinet back to the ministries, from ministries, Public Service Commission had then to clean the document. And this is where now I am saying, before the end of this first quarter, that will have been concluded. And in the budget, provision for the implementation of the job evaluation results was provided. I thank you.
Minister varikureketa ngendaa yejob evaluation kuti tinozoningira muhoro wevashandi vehurumende kana taita job evaluation nekurenga mabasa evashandi vehurumende. Mudo policy yehurumende here kungoti toningira job evaluation tikaningirawo amwe mafactors akakosha akaita se-inflation, akaitawo se-poverty datum line, kuti vashandi vehurumende vari kutambudzika zuva ngezuva kana mwedzi mwedzi uchitopera kana mwari isina kuwedzerwa vanenge vachitotambudzika nevana vavo. Takangoemera kuti aiwa taemera job evaluation, taemera job evaluation isingaperi.
Does job evaluation guarantee an increase in the salaries for civil servants? That's my fundamental question, Mr. Speaker. Thank you.
Now, first of all, let me start from here. That the job evaluation is basically a scientific exercise to determine the levels of salaries and grades. Now, whether that results, the current job evaluation will result in the increase, overall increase of salaries is another matter. Yes, there are people in the civil service whose grades went beyond what they should be. And there are people whose grades are below what they should be. Those will naturally benefit from this exercise. There are people who, over the years, got to a ceiling where they had even exceeded their current grades and they had got into the next grade. All those things are going to be rationalized by the job evaluation. Because of its scientific nature, it then will inform what happens